Swapping bikes. Lindy's taking the 500. I'm going to take the CRF. Let's go, Deb. I get my road book up. I'm on the Lindy machine. Road book. Balanced. Oh, can I get over this thing? Ooh, this is so low. It's delightful. Ah! It's fine, yeah. Yeah, it really cracks on. Bit of sand. Yeah. Overdrive, it's a good track. This is a track, look at this. Hell yeah. Here we go. It's very light. This is so heavy and stuff. Yeah, it's the
I don't like how...
You get used to that though.
Yeah. You can put a steering damper on it too.
Oh yeah, you could.
Oh,
Yeah.
so powerful. I wouldn't trust myself, like...
No, it was already broken.
I broke your buckle.
It was already broken. And it still clips in.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I did
see?
clip it in.
It's still...
Help me, just
Yeah, let me
take
get...
it around the corner, please.
Oh, we got in there.
Thank you.
Alright, should be good now.
You need to say if I'm abusing your vibe.
No, go for it. Magoo.
Sorry, I'm abusing it.
That's
You
all
need
good.
to say if you want it back.
That's what it's there for. Lindy's enjoying the 500. Couple little drops, but mate, the 500 is the best bike to drop. It's only 100 kilos. It doesn't really break anything when you drop it. Mate, look at the rock on the CRF 300. Making it look easy. Is that the hard route? Ain't the freaking hard route, eh? Woo-hoo-hoo. I actually really like CRF, like 250 Ls and the 300 Ls now. Woo! Mate! My God! How did she just get up that. Holy crap. That is a sideways log. Jesus. Well done. She just went straight up it. Oh my god. I love the low down power of a CRF though. Even though it makes less power than a WH50R, like its power comes on way lower. It's so easy to ride off-road. Obviously WR is going to be faster, but the struggles of a vertically challenged that's it, come wide, straight over, you won't even feel it. That's it. You did that with ease.
It's way too much power for me because I'm not in control.
Yeah, it
I'm
is
really
too.
not in control.
It's too much for everyone.
I'm really not in control. It's so scary. Do you feel you in control of this bike?
No,
Okay.
never. No one.
You don't. You just point it.
Yeah, you just.
And I'm so jerky on it, and I'm like all over the place.
It'll just go up anything.
Like Tom said, you could probably put a steering dampener on there.
Yeah, that'll slow the steering a bit.
Because it's.
Yeah, it's so light.
I mean,
But also I'm so jerky on it. I'm like.
Perfect way to park it.
I think we're switching bikes because I got stuck in the mud a little bit. It's too much for me to handle.
Ah, you're fine. Did good. I dropped my phone. My phone was in my lap.
I think you clipped it in.
No, it was sitting in my lap and I felt it halfway up. I'm like, oh no.
Can't believe I fucking eyeballed that rock.
Go Lindy. Police. Coppers. I don't think many other countries have cops that ride around on like Husqvarnas and shit, but we do in Australia. It ain't like America when you're on a dirt bike, you can just run away from a cop in a Ford, what do they have over there? Ford Escapes or whatever. Nah, our cops have freaking Husqvarna 500s and will chase you and will catch you. So it's a little bit harder. Alright, got goggles on, we can keep up with them.
Massively bent. I'm guessing I landed on that rock, mate.
Yeah, it's just there. You think we can wedge something in there and just
How do you bend a sprocket? I think when I stacked on that rock, I think I hit the rock. Spin it again.
Say again, what's the problem, guys?
The sprocket is bent.
Holy shit.
That's done.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Yeah, that's normal.
Push drive, instantly replaceable. Do you have a spare?
This one?
Now break his push drive with your
things
rock,
are split too. It's
your boots.
going the wrong way. Look.
Just slightly bent. My God.
Caveman, yeah.
Does that tool come in the Honda toolkit?
Yeah, it does.
Big rock.
Big rock and stick.
They put more weight on it,
Well,
This is
I'm
how
not as
cavemen
strong.
made motorcycles back in the day. Sticks and rocks. Gonna try GasGas 700. The red 690, it's called. GasGas 700. Done plenty of power. I'll launch it up in a second. Hey, it's the Subaru Off-Road Club over there. GasGas.
Take that one and then you can make a full review of all models.
That one's better.
I don't know, have a go.
Alright.
You've got your shitty gearbox in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Let's
it's
try
not, the
it.
proper, it's not the proper gearbox, but you can do it.
It's so quiet,
Yeah, that's shit. I'm going to change that.
but it's fast.
You like it?
Yeah. Made some improvements over the old 690.
It's smoother.
Yeah, a lot smoother. Still got an engine in it, so that's...
That's a 7 gas. That's not.
Alright, let's try a proper Kato, eh?
Let me just take my phone off.
What could possibly go wrong? 690 Super Duper. Alright, this one's a bit quicker. Genuinely does not feel like a KTM 690. He's done some shit to this thing, man. This thing is a rocket. 690s don't pull like that. Like, it just freaking Holy shit! Mate, this is not a 690. What the frick? That is a rocket. Boys, here we go. Bit of a Rocky McGocky. Rocky McLocky. Oh, I had to drop a foot then. Oh, did I hit the tree? I think I hit the tree actually. I'm on a bike bus and smack on something. Easy, easy. close. Not sketchy at all. Talcum powder. Full dust. A little bit of water. Finished it, I reckon. Beautiful track. Oh, that's insane. I've never seen it so dry. That's crazy. We did it, boys. Complete. How everyone else parks their bike and how Mark parks his bike. Professional.